We'll guide you through how to install the Dropbox desktop app on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website by typing dropbox.com in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for the download button, usually located in the top navigation bar or at the bottom of the page. Click on it, and the download should start automatically. After the download is complete, locate the installer file, which is typically found in your Downloads folder, and double-click it to run the installer. You might see a prompt asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. Once the installer opens, follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to sign in to your Dropbox account, or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Enter your username and password if you're signing in, or follow the prompts to set up a new account. After signing in, the app will begin syncing your files. You can choose which folders you want to sync by going to the Preferences menu within the app. To access this, click on the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar, then click on your profile picture or initials, and select Preferences. Under the Sync tab, you can select specific folders to sync or choose to sync all of your Dropbox content. Once you've set that up, the Dropbox folder will appear in your File Explorer or Finder, and you'll be able to manage your files just like any other folder on your computer. This means you can drag and drop files into it, and they'll automatically upload to your Dropbox account in the cloud. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.